Hey everyone, this is ROCKHOUND Organics. Hope your day, night, or whatever time it is going good. Today's little video is all about transplanting your basil, small little basil, into a bigger, better pot. I got this at Fred Meyer's at like $3.99, not too bad. Then I'm going to show you, we're going to do some new seeds. So 3 types of carrots, and one I've never done before is broccoli, which is interesting. So yeah, hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share your thoughts, subscribe to my channel if you like these kind of tips. Hope you enjoy. Let's get on with growing and transplanting. Let's get on with it. Hey, AJ here with ROCKHOUND Organics. Hey, so I'm going to be using this size of a pot for this little guy here. This is basil. Really neat plant for your plants. Protects it, but also good for spicy stuff for your plant, for your food, if you like to taste it. It's very strong. So sometimes what I'll do is I'll take some of the dead ones out and put them in another plant, and it protects it. So I'm gonna go get some dirt. I'm gonna use my gold pan to get all the material that I need. So I'll be right back. So I got my dirt right now. One thing I should suggest is put some cardboard. When you get a pot like this that has holes like that, I suggest to add cardboard so water sticks in there a little bit longer. But I'll be transplanting this in another thing, so it's okay for now. Good. So this one is called Sweet Italian algae leaf basil. It's cool. Herbs for life. It's cool. I gotta see, root bounding is not a good thing for your plants. Right there, I'll put that down there for it. You want to squeeze this a little bit. Holy crap. Look at that. Poor guy. Holy jeez. Look at that. Where's my camera? Poor fella. I'll be right back. Alright, so I cut the bottom of it. It was too long. The roots were just coming out of it. But now we got dirt. It's in its own pot. It's gonna be nice once it's done. I had a video, but I accidentally deleted it, which is a big oops on my behalf. It's okay. I found more dirt underneath me, and I forgot. So this would be a part 1 of 2. The other one's going to be about where to plant your seeds at. So we're done. We got him in a bigger, nicer pot, and he'll be a lot healthier. And the roots will go down more, and I'll keep an eye on it. I'll do an update on it as well. So yeah, how to transplant basil plant in a bigger, nicer pot. So yeah, if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, share your thoughts. Subscribe to my channel. Hope you have a good time learning. Hope this helped you in any way. I'm AJ, ROCKHOUND Organics. Keep on being you, and let's grow.